Action. Connect to Bunga Action, guys. Auntie B, Migalaw shout out. Migalaw shout out, Auntie B. Bakit hindi? Godson, new video everyone. Can you please connect to Godson? Ayan. Hindi ako makapag tawag dito. Hindi ako makapag-screenshot. Ano ba yan? Mano MP3 ho, shout out. Thank you for the like and for the flower. Thank you so much. From Indonesia, shout out. Okay, I give you a blue jacket so you can connect to each other there. You have already a blue jacket. You can connect please Bunga Action. You can leave the comment to Bunga Action and also E is God's son. Hi bro, morning. E is God's son. Hello, kumusta host? Ayan. Mabuti po. Mano MP3. Mabuti naman po. Salamat Mano. From Indonesia. Oh, so you know how to speak Tagalog. Okay. Mabuti, mabuti, mabuti. Mano MP3, hi! Hello, hello, hello. Thank you so much for coming, Mano. I am, what is that? I am happy because you are here in my channel. So I am very happy. Thank you so much. And also I'm very happy if you are give me the gift. You know that. Parang tawag dito? Anong oras na? 10:32, so maybe 11:30. I can end my live at 11:30. Can you please like? Okay, mabuti host. Okay, welcome. Mabuti din. How's the weather of your country? Flower to you, host. Thank you so much for the more flower. Okay, you can give me flowers. I can accept that. Thank you so much. Wow, many more red roses. Thank you so much. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 26. 26 roses. Thank you so much for the 26 roses. Thank you very much for the 36 roses, Mr. Mano MP3. Mano MP3, I have a latest upload a new video. Maybe you can leave the comment to my latest upload and I'll be returned. Okay, that's my promise. Okay, bunga done. Okay, bunga is Mano MP3 is done to you, bunga. Okay. Mano MP3 is done to you. Aray ko, sakit. Aray ko, sakit. Oh my God. Tanggalin ba naman yung sa Thank you, maganda host. Ayan. Thank you so much. Thank you, maganda host. Thank you po. Maraming salamat. Thumbs up dan. Love you host. I love you too, Mano MP3. Thank you sa thumbs up, Mano. Maraming salamat, Mano. Ayan, ano po yung work nyo? Pinoy po ba kayo? Anong work nyo dyan sa tikna ko? Ayan. I can stop loving you. Kanta yun Kanta. I Can Stop Loving You is the title of this song, right? Thank you for the heart. That's the title of the song. Nagkukusang naglilib yung walang problema. Ayan, maraming salamat. Mhm.